Today we explored how to make numbers by counting rows of hundreds, tens, and units. Students used working memory to keep track of place value and organization to complete their worksheets accurately. Everyone showed great attention control and stayed on task. Well done! We also used counters to visualize numbers, making learning more fun and hands-on. Keep practicing.
10. Each one equals 10. Okay? So if you look at the first example, so each row, you've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 30, 40, 50, 60. So in this one we have 100. Second one we have 60. So 6. So we've got 100s, 10s, and the last one units. 2. So we've got 1, 2. So answer 162. Then we write out the number. Okay, we'll look at the second one, second column. Now, you can count, remember, 10, counting tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. These glasses are no good. I got wrong glasses. So we've got, what have we got? 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So in the second one, so the second one, 100. 100. Okay, the second box. How many we got? How many boxes we got here? 1. So it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.